Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we are learning 30 good habits that help us stay healthy, happy and kind every day.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day.
Yay!
Wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after eating.
Yay!
Take a bath. Take a bath daily to stay clean.
Yay!
Eat healthy food. Eat fruits and vegetables every day.
Yay!
Drink water. Drink plenty of clean water.
Yay!
Go to bed early. Sleep on time to stay fresh.
Yay!
Wake up early. Wake up early to start your day right.
Yay!
Exercise or play. Play outside or exercise every day.
Yay!
Keep nails short. Trim your nails regularly.
Yay!
Wear clean clothes. Always wear neat and clean clothes.
Yay!
Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze.
Yay!
Be polite. Say please, thank you, and sorry.
Yay!
Respect elders. Respect your parents, teachers, and elders.
Yay!
Share with others. Share your toys and things with friends and siblings.
Yay!
Speak the truth. Always be honest and tell the truth.
Yay!
Keep your room clean. Keep your room neat and tidy.
Yay!
Help at home. Help your parents with small tasks.
Yay!
Read books. Read storybooks or learning books daily.
Yay!
Finish homework. Do your homework on time.
Yay!
Listen carefully. Pay attention when others are speaking.
Yay!
Be kind. Be kind and gentle with everyone.
Yay!
Show gratitude. Say prayers and be thankful every day.
Yay!
Don't waste food. Eat properly and don't waste food.
Yay!
Don't waste water. Save water and close the tap when not in use.
Yay!
Save electricity. Switch off lights and fans when not needed.
Yay!
Use a dustbin. Throw garbage only in the dustbin.
Yay!
Take care of things. Keep your toys and books safe.
Yay!
Love animals. Be gentle and friendly with animals.
Yay!
Don't fight. Solve problems calmly without fighting.
Yay!
Smile every day. Smile every day.
Yay!
Great job, kids! Keep practicing these habits every day and you'll become strong, smart, and super kind.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.